Okay, so I've got the water. Water is boiling, rolling boil, super hot. And I've got my matcha powder in there. So I'm just gonna pour over. Make sure it completely dissolves over here. Okay, this is a big cup. It's about two actual 8-ounce cups. So, I just put a tablespoon, like a literal tablespoon. I don't know if this is actually a tablespoon. But anyway, that's how I dissolve the matcha powder. And it's pretty hot, pretty boiling. You're gonna get like a bloom sort of look to this. What I usually do is do almond milk or soy milk in these things. And I put like a splash of vanilla syrup, 0-calorie vanilla syrup, and some stevia. So that's basically it. That's, you know, the contents of my matcha latte. So tell me what you guys think. I'm gonna put a link in the description to the eBay seller that I bought this from. And I will see you guys next time. Bye!